Ever wondered what it's really like driving through Africa? Not the tourist bubble, but the real thing? Spontaneous, unplanned and uncensored? Well, you get to see some awesome places. Meet really awesome people. See some amazing creatures. And find some incredible camp spots. To see the real Africa, we decided to ship our own vehicle from Australia and take our time exploring the continent.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a gate there.
So, what's that about? So where do we go now?
Oh, that's not what Google said.
You turn right, it's a dead end.
Oh.
It's actually a dead end.
So Google just sent us up the garden path down a no-through road or a gated road that then stops. So we're just trying to find our way through to the main road via a little track on the other side of a railway line that we just passed earlier. I guess we'll just see whether or not that's going to work for us.
Here we go. It's just saying main road there.
Yeah, I think it, oh no, it's actually bitumen. Oh,
It is, yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Yeah. I think Kenya has more speed humps than any other country I've ever come across. So Google isn't always reliable in Africa, and we find Tracks for Africa is much better, right?
It is, yeah. I have a map in the car, which is Tracks for Africa, and Anya has Google, and mine's got more detail than Google has. Yeah, so it's much better. Google's just got us lost again.
Again.
Yeah.
Over the next few days, our plan is to head northwest. We leave Nakuru to camp near Eldoret, then find a camp spot near Kitale, and eventually cross the border into Uganda to finally arrive at Sipi Falls. There would be one of these speed humps on Kenyan roads every, I don't know, at least every half a kilometre, if not more.
Gears broke because he's gone over this speed hump and it broke. A suspension or something.
Yeah, oh yeah, that doesn't look good.
Smashed it. They are a pain to the bottom.
They are difficult, those speed humps. If you miss them or don't see them, they really, really shake your car about, and you could easily just break something. Despite the speed humps, we're really enjoying this drive because rural Kenya is absolutely beautiful.
Hello.
Hi, ladies.
Nice.
Yeah, scenery is just stunning. It really is. It's very, very pretty here. Really like it. Thoroughly enjoying this drive. It's been really nice. Thank you very much.
How much is the pawpaw?
Oh, 50.
50. And
Yeah.
you're not going to buy any mangies?
I think Diane's
Oh,
buying
okay.
mangoes.
Okay. No worries at all.
Thank you. You just eat them. Yeah. They're tree tomatoes.
Tree tomatoes.
They're a fruit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you? Oh, that's the same. What are these?
Passion fruit.
Passion
yeah,
fruit.
we've got lots.
Lots of passion fruit.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
carrots?
And carrots, a bag of carrots. Check these out. A whole bag of snow peas.
That is amazing. They
look
they
great.
look absolutely beautiful.
They look great for dinner, right?
Yep.
This is the amazing thing about driving through the farming areas in Kenya. You can buy pawpaw, a whole bag of carrots, tree tomato, a bag of mango, and snow peas. And all of it probably cost about $5 Australian altogether. And it just looks amazing. An awesome view. And as a bonus, we bought lots and lots of fruit. I think we're going to be eating fruit now for the next, I don't know,
Week.
3 weeks.
And the young kid who's here, such a nice lad.
Yeah, people here are just really nice, warm and friendly. Yeah, it's been amazing. So we're at 2,800 meters elevation at the moment, and the mountainous areas here in Kenya are super fertile. They grow loads and loads of food here, and it's been just really really nice to see. So cute. They are so cute. Yeah.
Soon we end up at the Naiberi River Camp.
Hello, man. How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very fine.
Good. We just come to camp.
Okay, you're going on your...
That right? And there's another car behind us.
Okay.
Okay, so just to
go
the right.
straight ahead.
Thank you,
you.
man.
This is a really nice campsite. It's shady with plenty of room.
The kitchen.
There's good shelter and a really amazing pool too.
We're not leaving. We're not leaving.
But leave we did. Unfortunately, all good things come to an end. And once again, we're on the road towards the Ugandan border. Because we like to cross borders early in the day, we have one more campsite to visit before we cross the border into Uganda. This time it's Barnsley's guest house.
Slide down well. No, it's a right turn onto the main road into Eldoret, and there's a Shell apparently too.
Okay.
And we need some fuel too.
Kangaroo shuttle. Yes, where is it from? Australia. Yeah.
We also need some supermarket supplies. So we head to the nearest mall.
This must be security.
Security checks are taken quite seriously in Kenya.
Check the vehicle with a mirror.
Hello. How are you?
Hey, how are you going?
How are you going?
How is Australia? Defenders of Australia.
Defenders Australia. From Australia.
Hey.
Yeah. A long way.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
All stocked up, and once again we're on our way.
It's raining at last.
Bit of rain now, it'll be really good. It'll settle that dust a little bit, and it's just been quite smoggy. So should clear the air, which and it smells great. There's nothing like rain on hot earth.
Oh, it Oh, great. All closed.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah. Wow, look at all that. The dog. Hello. Hello.
African markets are always busy, vibrant and colourful.
Hello.
Towns are always interesting and there's always something going on. Even though the rain has stopped for now, the sky still looks ominous. And we're really hoping to reach our campsite before the rain returns. But not everything goes as planned.
The rain there on the road.
Yeah. So we're just heading towards Barnley's guest house and camping, and yeah, just trying to find it, to be honest. Just turned off the main road, and we're just hoping this track is going to lead us there. But there's a sign, so that's a good sign. So tonight it's another pretty amazing campsite, and we've even had some colobus monkeys visit.
Minced beef.
Minced beef.
Minced beef. There's onion, garlic,
Mushrooms,
mushroom,
capsicum.
capsicum.
It's a nice brisk morning this morning, and we're heading to the Ugandan border. We camped near the town of Kitale last night, not in town but near the town. Really nice quiet campground, and yeah, this morning we're looking at crossing into Uganda. Early morning in Kenya. We're getting close to the S.1 border. The lane on the left is a parking lane apparently, and we can only assume that's for trucks that are wanting to cross, but there's nothing here at this stage, so we're hopeful the border's going to be nice and quiet too. And this is also now a one-stop border post. I think that happened a couple of years ago, so hopefully it'll be fairly easy to sort out.
What we didn't realise is that our TIP could only be paid for inside Uganda. So I hop on the back of a bike to pay at about 1 kilometre inside the border. And then return to have our paperwork stamped before we can finally leave and officially enter Uganda.
Oh, is that where you have to go?
M-Pesa one? Yeah, I was in there. Oh, that's that little one, the fare rate office there.
Oh, yeah, there.
And That's the bank over here, which is somewhere in here. Yep, you are going the right way. Well, this is it. Welcome to Uganda.
Yep. We are in Uganda.
I've already been in Uganda, but you know, for Mark, it's the first time.
Yeah, it is.
Ugandan roads are actually really amazing, apart from the speed bumps, that is. And yes, there are cows on roundabouts here. First impressions of Uganda? It's incredibly beautiful. But we soon learned that the beauty of the countryside is surpassed by the beauty of its people.
Lovely views.
Oh, amazing views.
Lovely views.
What a stunning place.
It is.
Scenery here is just stunning.
As we arrive in Sipi Falls and then settle into our campsite at Sipi Guest House, we realise that we can actually see the falls from our campsite, and they're pretty specky.
When in Uganda, drink Ugandan beer.
Getting grown up.
Cheers. Just got hammered with rain.
Sunset walk in the rain. I'm not sure how much of a sunset we'll see tonight.
No.
Wow, it's still amazing. And our car is somewhere down there.
See it now. Oh, it must be up on that other part there.
Yeah, it's perched on a ledge somewhere. We just get a view off the falls. And then Mark just couldn't help himself. Oh, no, don't lose it! Thanks, guys. Have fun.
Thanks.
Nothing was hurt except a bit of pride, perhaps.
Going this way? Oh, are we? Okay, we're going this way.
And the kids definitely loved it.
Oh man, you want me to do it
Yeah,
again?
go on, do it again.
You're on it. I'm going to take him home to Australia.
Because of the gloomy weather the day before, we thought we would revisit Sunset Hill,
Wow.
this time
Yeah,
just after
nice.
sunrise.
The local community just opened the gates for us so we can drive to the top of Sunset Viewpoint of Sipi Waterfall, and it's just amazing.
No, I'll go up the top here.
Wow.
Right.
And then we had the best time ever with the kids from the local community.
I think half the village is here now, including the dog, the cows, the goats. It's a stunning, stunning place.
So these beautiful people here are orphans, and they are so wonderful, well respected, well mannered.
These kids are being cared for by the local village,
Really good. Thanks guys. Way!
and they then wanted to make sure Mark was also in the photo. And we were truly humbled by how warmly they welcomed us.
I won't slow you down.
The village opens up the land here for a small donation.
Just to
They were even happy for us to camp there,
keep.
and the donation goes directly back to the community.
I fell in too deep. And it's why I say, at least how I remember.
It's a good community project they've got going here, right? Yep.
Absolutely.
Yep, they look after, after everybody, and they try to make that land work for them and earn them a little bit of money. Oh, well done, you caught it.
Good catch.
I held on with all my might.
It's a really lovely village. Everyone is friendly, and they really do look after each other. That's
just it, isn't it?
Yep.
It's a treat.
It's so simple, but it's we could learn a lot from that.
Yeah, absolutely.
In the silence we made.
Thank you. Thank you. Padum. What? Padum. 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 That's good. All right.
See you guys.
Bye. All right, man. You be good. Take care. Bye.
It would be very easy to lose our heart in Uganda,
At least how I remember.
but the road is calling us again,
We were leaving in September.
and we still have plans to head further north.
Red and gold paint the sky.
Our next destination is Murchison Falls.
And as far as I
Hopefully you can join us for that.
pretended, oh, I wish it never ended. I held on with all my might, still waiting on the last goodbye.